Hey tech enthusiasts, today I've got some hot off the press leaks about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 series that you don't want to miss. We're talking shocking prices and mind-blowing features. Let's dive in. So, we're expecting two models, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Both will come in Wi-Fi and 5G versions. Now, if you're thinking about the price tags, brace yourselves. The starting price for the Wi-Fi Galaxy Tab S10 Plus is set at CHF 1179, which is roughly 1,260 euros. And if you want the 512 GB version, you'll need to shell out CHF 1299, or about 1,390 euros. Got it? Good. But wait, there's more. The 5G models are naturally a bit pricier. The 256 GB model will cost CHF 1319, 1,410 euros, and the 512 GB variant will set you back CHF 1419, 1,515 euros. Now let's talk about the big brother, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. This one's even pricier. The Wi-Fi version starts at CHF 1399, 1,495 euros for the 256 GB storage model, and goes up to CHF 1519, 1,625 euros for the 512 GB model. But if you're aiming for the top tier 16 GB RAM and 1 terabyte storage, get ready to spend CHF 1829, which is around 1,955 euros. If you think that's steep, the 5G models are even higher. The 256 GB will cost CHF 1549, 1,655 euros. The 512 GB model CHF 1669, 1,785 euros. And the 1 terabyte variant will set you back a whopping CHF 1979, or 2,115 euros. Now, let's talk features. Both tablets are expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. You'll get 12 GB of RAM as standard on the S10 Plus, and the Ultra model cranks it up to 16 GB. And let's not forget the dual rear cameras, a 120Hz AMOLED screen, and 45W fast charging. Sounds like a beast, right? So, when can you expect these bad boys to hit the market? Most sources are pointing towards October this year, just in time for the holiday season. There you have it, folks. The new Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 series is shaping up to be a game changer with hefty price tags and killer features. What do you think? Are you ready to splash the cash on these premium tablets? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy. Tech Devil.